Hey, what's up? This is Crazy Working Man. Today I'm here at my volunteer job. And I want to hold my phone. I'm right now just chilling and also cleaning up a mess that I made. Sorry, God and Bud. Yeah, always clean your coffee pots. Or at least let them soak in hot water.
Yeah, I have to clean up my grandma's messes all the time.
Hey there.
Okay, what?
Oh, you're videotaping.
Yeah, me. Yeah, I'm constantly working YouTube. You can see that on dishwashing videos or some other videos as well. Yeah. Oh,
Greetings,
look.
greetings.
Gross. Yeah, better re-rinse that one off. And dry it off. Same thing.
That would be nice too.
Yeah, Crazy Working Man's job is never done, huh, Crazy Larry?
Yep, I wonder if my family will come over to church today. Because they said they wanted to try it. Bobby and Samantha. I mean, Bob and Tammy.
Yeah. Big shouts to my camera guy, Crazy Larry Lexington. And also shouts to Doug Lister and Tyler McKnight. So appreciate all the shout outs you did for me, Tyler. One of these days we should do like a video call thing on Messenger, but I'm constantly busy. So I'd be glad to message you just from normal messenger. So yeah. I cleaned the tops of this, you can see that pretty much. And you can film play a little bit.
Brotherly love.
Sorry.
I am your photographer today.
And don't go behind me because I just farted. Little D&D humor. Yeah, anyways,
I'm pretty sure our fans on YouTube don't want to hear about your explosive flatulence.
Hey. Everything. Oh, here, let me wipe off my hand. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that, YouTube. Yeah, that's all I had to clean today with the paper towel and that. Sorry, I didn't mean to blast one off again. Little Pokemon humor. We're blast one off again, ting!
They were so darn silly they wouldn't be blasting off so fast.
Yep. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, just man. Oh, I just popped. Anyways, I love you guys. There's my coffee mug. Just cleaned it really quick. Or not really quick. I'm just chilling. Alright. You guys rock. Peace. Love. All this for 11 work war.